In this video, we will learn how to convert static product grid into dynamic product grid. If you notice, if you click on men collection, you will see all the static products here. And if you click on the woman, you will see the same products, static products over here. So how we can grab the actual products which are in the collections, how we can grab all these products over there. So we have 14 products in women and 6 products in men. So let's try to make this dynamic. Let's jump in the Visual Studio Code. I have opened this file main collection dash product dash grid in liquid in the Dawn theme. I'm using Dawn theme. I put some static HTML here. Now let's try to make it dynamic. So first of all, I will remove this for loop, and I will remove this for loop as well. I type for loop and product. This is the object of product. Product in collection dot products. Now we have the object of the product, and close the for loop here and click on save. Now let's try to grab the product title. So I will type product dot title. Now I will be able to get the product titles. I am using theme kit, and my code is automatically going to my theme, uploaded at my theme automatically. Now I go back here, and if I reload the page, now I have all the product titles dynamic. Okay, now let's get the actual image of the product. So what I'm going to do, I am going to get rid of this hard-coded image URL, and I will type product.featured underscore image. Then I will apply a filter, image URL, and then I will give the size of the image, let's say 100 pixels, and click, I will save. Then I will reload the page. Now I have the actual images of the products, and now let's grab the product price as well. So let's remove this hard-coded price and type product.price. If you type product.price, you will get the price in cents. So we don't need price in cents, we need price in dollars. So you will add money sign. You will add money filter here. Simply type a pipe sign and I type money and save. You will notice now the price is coming in the correct format. So this is how you can make the product grid dynamic. If you hit woman collection now, you will see the woman collection products here. So this is how you can make the static grid into the dynamic grid. Thank you.